Hello, good evening everyone. Muli po, nandito naman po ang inyong kamemorya. Samahan niyo po muli ako sa aking journey sa Bible Memorization. This time po, nais ko pong magbahagi ng tatlong talata sa King James Versions of the Bible ng mga talata na may kinalaman po sa panalangin. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Beginning from Mark chapter 11 verse 24. The Bible says, "Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them." Mark chapter 11 verse 24. Yung pong sumunod na dalawang talata ay matatagpuan po sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 to 7. The Bible says in Philippians 4, 6 to 7, "Be careful for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God." Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 to 7. So, yun lang po sa gabing ito. By the way, ito nga po pala yung aking ika-11th day of my journey in Bible memorizations. So, maraming salamat po muli. God bless everyone.